Hey fitness friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're gearing up to level up your home gym, you've come to the right place. Today we are counting down the top 3 best home gym essentials on Amazon, from heavy-duty strength stations to quiet cardio machines. We'll break down each product's key specs, the real-time price you can snag today, plus the pros, cons, and what fellow users are saying. Let's pump it up. 1. Marcy Combo Smith Strength Machine, Model SM4902. The Marcy Combo Smith packs a full multi-station gym into a single footprint. Smith barbell carriage, adjustable bench press, leg developer, high pulley lat station, low pulley row station, and preacher curl pad. Built on a heavy gauge steel frame, it handles up to 600 pounds on the Smith bar and 200 pounds on each pulley. Right now you can pick it up for $779 on Amazon. Users love its versatility and solid construction, earning a 4.2-star average across 1,150 reviews. Pros: all-in-one design, sturdy build, smooth linear bearings. Cons: large footprint, assembly is time intensive, no enclosure around weight stack. 2. Titan Fitness plate-loaded specialty shoulder press. This commercial-style shoulder press station features a 10-gar powder-coated steel frame, dual pivot arms for natural pressing arcs, and independent loading posts on each side. Olympic plates sold separately. With adjustable seat and back pads plus 170 degrees of range of motion, it targets delts, traps, and triceps with serious isolation. You'll find it listed at $689.99, and it boasts a 4.5-star rating from over 240 buyers. Pros: solid plate-loaded feel, smooth pivot arms, heavy commercial warranty. Cons: no plates included. Seat range may not fit very tall or very short users. 3. Niceday Elliptical Trainer with hyper-quiet magnetic resistance. For low-impact cardio, the Niceday delivers a 16-level magnetic resistance system, a 350-pound weight capacity, and a 19 stride length, all wrapped in a compact, steel frame design. The built-in LCD tracks time, speed, distance, calories, and pulse, and the whisper-quiet flywheel makes it perfect for shared spaces. It's currently $329.99 on Amazon, and users have rated it 4.1 stars over 620 reviews. Pros: smooth, silent operation, sturdy build, clear performance monitor. Cons: limited preset workout programs, console display is basic. That's our top 3 lineup. Drop a comment to let me know which one you'd add to your setup. Smash that like button if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more gear deep dives. Catch you next time, and stay strong.